FlexBox is a powerful CSS layout module that simplifies the creation of flexible and responsive web designs. With just a few lines of code, you can easily create a variety of layouts and align your content in a flexible way. To start using FlexBox, first set the display property of the container element to Flex. This activates the FlexBox behavior. Then, you can control the layout by using various properties such as Flex Direction, Flex Wrap, and Align Items. For example, if you want to create a horizontal layout with items evenly distributed, you can set the Flex Direction property to RAW and justify content to Space Between. This will automatically distribute the items across the container. FlexBox also allows you to easily align items vertically by using the Align Items property. You can choose to align them to the top, center, or bottom of the container. In summary, FlexBox simplifies the process of creating flexible and responsive layouts in CSS, making it a valuable tool for web designers.